You might label New Touch Auto as a wrap shop, but we damn near plastic surgeons on this one. So what we have today, we got a Jeep Wrangler 4-door. Already got a wrap on it currently. The wrap is, I think they said Autoflex. They say it's like 5 years old. But this Autoflex, that's what happens in the Florida sun. So therefore, with this clear coat, it's not gonna be as easy as it would be with Proline, Plasti Dip, or the rail coatings that's not spherical. It's gonna be a little harder. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and peel it. The decals that you see on here now, they're gonna peel with the wrap, so we don't have to do that separately. But we're gonna go ahead and peel it. We're gonna have a hard time on that hood though, but it's okay, because we're gonna hit it with the new color. The new color, we're gonna base it with a mint color, then we're gonna hit it with the Mardi Gras pearls. First off, get this peel, then we'll start our process. We may do the rims. I think they want those rims to match too, so y'all stay tuned for that. Let's go. So here's where we stand with the peel process, and we catching hell doing this because we got an issue. It was said that this was Autoflex, and you see partial areas are still colorful with the wrap. The reason being because somebody didn't follow instructions. Yeah, that's an Autoflex gloss that's on top of it. But underneath, that's Plasti Dip. Autoflex and Plasti Dip is not compatible. So now we got this issue to where it's impossible to peel by hand this wrap, and it's not meant to be like that. If it was meant to be like this right here, wouldn't nobody install this stuff on their car. It's meant to come off easily. And when you have small areas, you hit it with the dip dissolver. But in this case, when you don't follow instructions, this is what you get. You see the deterioration? You don't want that in the future. It'll look good to you when you first install it, but that's what you don't want. Follow instructions, because you make it hard for people like myself to peel this stuff off. And you look at this side, we haven't even started yet. Long way to go, a lot of work to do, but we gotta do it. So we'll see you in the finish. So that concludes the end of the video. So what I like to do is do a walk around and show you exactly what we did to this vehicle. Let's go. So what we have here is a Jeep Wrangler with the 50s Aqua with the Mardi Gras pearls over the top of it. Now those Mardi Gras pearls, you got to pretty much see it under light. That's when you really see that pearl effect. This video does it no justice, but we take it all the way around because we kept everything kind of solid with the black, and then we had the 50s Aqua with the Mardi Gras, and then we hit it with the rims too. We got 5 wheels on here, so we're gonna go to the back side and we're gonna show you exactly what it looks like. So we take it all the way around, got a solid look. Can't complain, solid look. Much different from any other Jeep Wrangler. On the back side, see we got that 5th wheel. All of them painted, but we matched it up with the color. Take it around, everything is solid, man. Can't complain about that. Now, I don't know about you, but me, I'm a classical guy. So I like classic looks. I like the basic stuff. But you got this option, man. You can change up your vehicle and make it look like you want it to look. The choice is yours. But in this case, the Jeep Wrangler sets it off, man. New look, new feel, new touch auto. That's what we do. For my subscribers, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. For those who haven't subscribed though, please feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Catch y'all on the next video.